Nice.
The place nice.
Very nice. You get anything you want to buy.
Anything you want to buy today.
Food.
Because today is what? Boxing Day?
Yeah, and about our Christmas we are celebrate.
Christmas and I celebrate also. Welcome back my viewers and subscribers. Bigsuper there. Me there pan side. Yeah, me there pan side people. Me there in Yallahs main road. And I go look on the shopping district at Yallahs and make you guys see what it's like, you know. So on the stick and stay, follow Bigsuper. Bigsuper there pan side. And I'm going to take a look upon the beautiful community at Yallahs. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, I'm heading to Yallahs town. Yeah, as you can see, I'm heading to Yallahs town, and I feel like I want to stop down by the fishing village before I go through the town. What do you think? Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, this is a cemetery. And you know what, I passed here all the while, and I never knew that Yallahs. I don't know why I never see it. Maybe because I'm walking today, but I never knew that Yallahs have this big cemetery down the side. I do see a sign over the cemetery, and it marks Yallahs Methodist Church. So we are Yallahs people, and today we are highlight the business district, you know, yeah. And the road working on, we get a little rain a while ago, we dampen the place, but it's all good. Big up the Methodist Church, and big up the cemetery over that side. Bigsuper is continuing in walk through the beautiful town of Yallahs. And we're passing this nice sports bar here, J&B Fresh Sport Bar. Yeah, my viewers and sub, as we enter in the direction of the town of Yallahs. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, the gas station there, so the gas station there. I wonder if it's down to the beautiful hotel is. I'm going to take a check. Stick and stay, my viewers and sub, because me that them build a new location in a Yallahs and Bigsuper. I go check it out. So I see a sign, my viewers and subscribers. Russell's Paradise Beach Resort. It's a beautiful, beautiful location. Yeah, it's in the town of Yallahs. You can enjoy, come and see it. So I'm going to take a walk, go down here and see what's taking place. Wow, the plant, them to enter this location, the plant, them look beautiful. So you can see, so this place is a nice, beautiful place. So we are looking at the shopping district. Yeah, as the town of Yallahs rise and develop to become like a first class town in St. Thomas. Wow. Wow, so the resort there, my people, it don't look bad. The place don't look bad. Some viewers and stuff, I'll go back out on the main road and go around because it seems like there's another entrance to take me to this beautiful, beautiful place here. So I'm in the town of Yallahs. I'm on foot and I'm taking a look at the shopping district of Yallahs. Yeah, Dreams Liquor Store. Big up yourself, big up your store. Yeah, my viewers and sub, I'm entering the beautiful town of Yallahs. Somebody tell me that when we reach at the guango tree, it's a big guango tree there in front of me. We can go down and maybe take a better look at that new resort. It look like it's this road, you know. So now take a walk on the dirt road here and go down and take a look at this beautiful resort. And now I'll go over there. We just have to stay outside and give you guys a prep in case if you come into the town of Yallahs, you're looking somewhere to cool out, you're looking somewhere to stay, you can check out this place here. Some viewers and sub, this look like it's another side gate to this complex, to this beautiful complex here. Bigsuper I'll make you guys know that this is all in the beautiful town of Yallahs. So stick and stay with me. So my viewers and subscribers, the beautiful hotel, I just get the correct pronunciation, is Russell's Jamaica Hotel, and it's located in the heart of Yallahs. So my viewers and sub, I'm coming from the direction of the pan. I pass Russell's Jamaica Hotel, I pass the gas station, and now I'm there at the brink of heading into the square itself of Yallahs. Well, I'm speaking with a gentleman here. How old are you?
I'm 79.
79 years old, in the town, at the entrance to go in the square of Yallahs. And I'm going to give me two little wonderful tips about the town of Yallahs.
The people from Kenya, psychology, you know?
Yeah.
The place nice.
The place nice.
Very nice. You get anything you want to buy.
Anything you want to buy today.
Food.
Because today is what? Boxing Day?
Yeah, and about our Christmas we are celebrating.
Christmas and I celebrate also. And the vendors then we deal with the food item like the jerk pork, the jerk chicken, then we all be out today.
Yes man.
And they were out
today and tonight.
Today and tonight. So as you can see, I mean, I enter the town, Mr. Jelly and the stall here. You mind me come over there and look, nice lady? Yeah, and Sting, I'm going to take a look and you are going here. So when you enter in the town of Yallahs, you're going to see the stall here, right at the front here, and you can stop and shop. You understand? Before you reach in the middle of the town of Yallahs. Yallahs is not all that a big town, this section here. It's not really all that huge, but at least it looks good. Alright, bless up yourself here, and have yourself a great day. Alright, Daddy, thank you for the information about the town.
Nice.
Alright, so Bigsuper is heading in the heart of the shopping district of Yallahs. So stick and stay, people. Bigsuper is on the ground in the town of Yallahs. And how come I never know you have a rollers down here too? I never know that. I never knew that. I thought it was, wow. So you see you have multiple places down in the town of Yallahs. You also have a Western Union down here. Yeah, I see Supreme Venture. I see a lot of places, bookshop. Yeah, I see all Excel shop and one building over there. So the town of Yallahs is alive and well. And we're going to see if we can find any one of the vendors them, whether the soup vendor, whether the jerk chicken vendor. Well, go on, my general, everything good? Alright, see you travel on the grabber. Yeah man. Yeah man, so we'll see if we can find any one of the vendors them in the town, in the shopping district of Yallahs. We really talk with to find out what business is like, what the holiday like, and how things look. And Boxing Day, well, Christmas Day also. Yeah, so we're going to look at the town and see what the beautiful town is like. Yeah, my viewers and sub, in the town of Yallahs. And we say Juicy Patty. Big up Juicy Patty, because you don't know, I do a tasting thing there. But we still have a big up Juicy. I don't see no tasty down here, but don't know what happened. But I see some new places are built up and the town look nice. Vehicles move back and forth in the town. You know, it's not all such of a big town. It's a very small town, very compact, with a whole heap of plazas and a lot of new business and a lot of supermarkets and shops. And it's a little more the activity in the town I got turn up, and Bigsuper is here on foot walking through the town of Yallahs Square. Yeah, my viewers and sub, I'm going to tell you, if you're not spend with them funny. So you understand what I'm saying? Hello, nice lady. Yeah, but so we're in the beautiful town of Yallahs, and we are looking for a nice, beautiful place and thing. And it's not a bad community, you know. Sometimes when you talk to some vendors, them kind of upset. I mean, some people they behind time in the interviewing thing, and everybody like when you interview them. But we see the St Thomas Parish Court. Yeah. So we see it seems like there is a courthouse over on that side of the road. So stick and stay and follow. Right, my viewers and stuff. So I'm in the town of Yallahs, and I see a vendor here. I stop with him. And I look for wagwan, for him chicken, for him grill, and him put on chicken. So you prepare for later.
Alright.
Yeah man, enough customers and things. I go pass through and turn up. But the I name?
You know what I'm saying?
Alright.
Thermos.
Thermos. And when the people them are pass through the town of Yallahs Thermos, which part you locate? You're there exactly in front of what? The courthouse?
Yeah.
So you're there in front of the courthouse. So my viewers and subscribers, when you now come through the town of Yallahs, just pull over right in front of the courthouse. Thermos and install out here. Why you have another pot of thermos?
You know, some fish soup in there.
Fish soup in it?
Yeah.
Alright, bless up your day, and I hope you have a very strong, productive, and make some money in the day. Alright? Blessings. Yeah, my viewers and subs, so we're there in the town of Yallahs and we're there on foot. See the vendors, them are put on them pot early. Everybody are line up. You don't know, Christmas season, Christmas festive season. And everybody are line up them cooking. And them look a thing. And them look a thing of a shot look more. Because you don't know, people like the food, them like the hospitality, and them like how Yallahs people treat them, and so them always want to come back and them always want to stop. My viewers and sub, I stop with the next vendor and I see him prepare him chicken to look more. In the day, him have chicken on the grill, him have festival, and him have all of these nice things. I go and I see what I go in the pot in the kitchen here. Yeah man, everything look festive, my general. How are your name again? John, and him the right in front of the St Thomas Parish Court. So we want to now drive through the town, not afraid to pull over in front of the St Thomas Parish Court. You understand? See it across the road, the people. All of the stall them over here, Bigsuper, can vouch them. And we can just pull over, buy on the chicken, buy on the food, enjoy on yourself, and go river and have a wonderful day. So stick, big up yourself here, John. Now continue down the road and look what me see. Alright? Yeah, my viewers and subs, so me in the town of Yallahs. I tell you, me in the town of Yallahs. And sometimes I search your words. Yeah, my brethren, sometimes I search your words because you don't know. See a Bill Express sign up here, so I don't know if that place is still open and thing and so forth. But we're there in the town of Yallahs and we are come out on the edge now. Like we are going further out of the town you know. And we just take a walk and we just look because it's not all that a big town. It's more like a small, compact community. The town of Yallahs. And nothing much not take place when you come out of Yallahs. Nothing much not take place. So we are going to walk right down to the corner and take a look. So we come right to this location here, this business here. Yeah. And we are going to turn back and go in at the town and feature this business place here. But Bigsuper is out here on the road in Yallahs town. What are you doing with these balls this morning?
I sell them.
You sell them? Whoa, so at your age, make a look in your bag. Make a look in your bag, my people say. Whoa, you have a lot of ball down in here. How much you want of these balls? What it cost?
$300.
$300. And you sell any ball from morning? You don't sell no ball? Whoa, what's your name? What's your name? Alright, don't tell me your name. But I'm going to pray and ask the Lord to make sure all of your balls sell.
Then that one.
Alright, that's you want. So where you walking to now? Where you heading? Which direction you heading? Where are you heading to?
Over there.
Oh, you go over the yard there. Okay. So do you familiar with that church over there? That 7-day Adventist? Oh, at the 7-day church there you go. Alright, I will bless you or come your way soon. So take care of yourself. And what's your name again? What's your name? Miss Johnson. Miss Johnson. Pick up yourself. Safe travel here. Alright. Take care.
Yeah.
Alright, Miss Johnson. So we just speak with Miss Johnson. Miss Johnson, very old in her age, she can't hardly hear, but at least she'll walk and she'll sell ball. You know, so there's a lot of merit in that interview a while ago, just by talking to an elderly lady where I walk and I sell ball. You can imagine that in the town of Yallahs. So stick and stay, people, stick and stay. Can we go back in the square and just take a small look at the square and make you guys see a final look at Yallahs town. some of viewers and sub. I'm in the town of Yallahs, and I spin round and I head back through the town, back in the direction where I enter this beautiful town. There's a lot of road work taking place because you can see the road kind of under some upliftment, so it's not really complete as yet, but business out, people out, everybody enjoy the town. The town is live and well, and you can pass through on a holiday anytime, and you can stop and you can shopping, buy where you buy, do your things, you can spend your money, and you can feel safe also in the town of Yallahs. So anytime you're in St. Thomas, don't afraid to pass through and stop in the town of Yallahs, my viewers and subscribers. There's a lot of business in this town, and there is also a police station in the heart of the town of Yallahs. Yeah, my general. So stick and stay and follow me. So as I bring the blog to an end, we just show you that the town of Yallahs is live and well. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember to watch all the ads, people. Watch all the ads. That's how Bigsuper get paid. Bigsuper is in the beautiful town of Yallahs, saying peace out.